Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the King C, Gillette Beard Trimmer Pro. This powerful tool is designed for precise grooming, offering 40 length settings in precise 0.5mm steps. You'll find 2 comb attachments included, allowing you to easily switch between different beard styles. Plus, its fully washable design makes cleanup incredibly simple, ensuring your trimmer is always ready for your next grooming session. To begin trimming, first select your desired beard length using the precision wheel, which offers 40 settings. Then, attach one of the 2 comb attachments. The short comb covers 0.5 to 10 millimeters, while the long comb handles 10.5 to 20 millimeters. For an even and consistent trim, always move the trimmer against the natural direction of your hair growth, using gentle, steady strokes. Once you've achieved your desired beard length, it's time for detailing. Remove the comb attachment to use the trimmer's lifetime sharp metal blades for precise edging. Carefully define your cheek and neck lines, creating a clean, sharp look. The trimmer's design allows for excellent control, helping you achieve those crisp, professional-looking edges around your beard and mustache. Maintaining your King C, Gillette Beard Trimmer Pro is simple. After each use, remove the comb and rinse the trimmer head and combs under running water. Use the included cleaning brush to easily remove any trapped hairs, ensuring optimal performance. For long-lasting power, charge your trimmer overnight. A full charge can provide up to 45 days of cordless use or 80 minutes of continuous trimming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.